Hi, my name is Jacob Oldacre, an associate in Gross McGinley's Business Services Group. Today I'm going to kind of talk to you a little bit about OSHA, or the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, and as an employer, what you need to do to keep your employees safe as well as to keep your facilities in compliance. As an employer, you may have had an OSHA inspector come out to your facility, or you may have an OSHA inspector come out to your facility in the future. If they do come out, don't worry. You have a lot of options, a lot of remedies, and a lot of things you can do as an employer to make sure that you don't incur massive citations, fines, or repeat violations in the future. If an OSHA inspector comes out, they have a duty to report to an area director. The area director will review what they found, and then you may receive a citation in the mail. Again, don't worry, you still have options. Some immediate action items though, if you do receive a citation in the mail. You have 15-day window to respond. If you don't respond in that 15 days, you will be liable. You will not have an opportunity to contest. So when you receive that citation, you want to take immediate action, whether that be contacting an attorney such as myself or responding individually, which you're able to do as well. OSHA does allow employers to, act in good faith, to make changes immediately, to document the changes they're making. We want to make sure that you are doing appropriate abatements, you're taking care of these citations, you're taking care of these issues that OSHA finds with your facilities, or how you're managing your employees. Okay, so we talked a little bit about you received your citation. Now what do you do? What are your options? Your first option is you pay the citation, you don't contest it, but just keep in mind that just paying a citation isn't abating an issue that OSHA has found. So just paying the citation, an OSHA inspector comes back out in the future, that can be seen as a repeat violation even though you already paid the citation for it once. Your next option is you have that 15-day window to file for an informal conference. The informal conference will be with you as the employer and your counsel and the area director for OSHA. This is your opportunity to reach an informal settlement, reduce the fines, show what you have done to, abate these violations that they found, what steps you've taken. And when you're taking these steps, from the OSHA inspector arriving to receiving the citation, make sure you're documenting what you're doing. Say you run a pallet shop and you have a large accumulation of dust, and that's a reoccurring theme. It's something that's hard to do, to take care of in your industry. Show the steps you've taken, whether you put in cleaning procedures or you've installed a vacuum system that can keep your facility cleaner. Document all that stuff. That's going to help your cause. It's going to show good faith on your part. And it's going to help, hopefully, reduce those citations and keep you from repeat violations in the future. Your last option is to contest the citation. So what does this mean? It means that hopefully you've done the informal settlement or the informal conference. It didn't go exactly as you had hoped. You didn't accomplish what you wanted to. So now you're going to contest it fully. This is the level of litigation. This is what we want to avoid if we can, but it's an option to you that you can really fight for what you think is right, and what you have done for your employees and for your facilities that is in compliance with OSHA, and even if they don't feel like it is. So just remember, with the informal conference or the formal contest, there's always something that you can fight for as the employer. We want to see you get the results. We know how hard our employers work, and we know how intimidating and scary it can be that OSHA comes out, an OSHA inspector comes out, you receive a citation in the mail, and you're immediately asking yourself, what can I do? What are my options? The attorneys here at Gross McGinley, as well as myself, we're happy to walk you through the steps. We're happy to work through everything with you procedurally to make sure that we reserve your rights and we defend you in every way that we can.